If you are not aware about Google Tag Manager, let me tell you how we use Google Tag Manager and why we use Google Tag Manager. Google Tag Manager is one place script management tool which helps implementing various scripts through Google Tag Manager without directly modifying it on the websites. Let's say we have two platforms to manage, Facebook ads and Google ads. In order to implement the tracking on both the platforms, we need to implement the scripts on the website. But while using Google Tag Manager, we can add both the platform scripts to the Google Tag Manager only. We don't have to go into the website and add the scripts manually there. We can just go into the Google Tag Manager and add the scripts. Let's get into the screen. Open your web browser and go to tagmanager.google.com. Sign in using your Google account credentials. Once you are logged into that, click on create account. So the first option is the account name. Enter the account name, let's say test, and then select the country, let's say it's US, and then enter the container site, for example www.test.com, and then select the target platform. It can be web, iOS, Android, but mostly it would be web. Then click on the create button. Once you hit the create button, you will be prompted to the services agreement. Then you need to accept all the data processing terms and then click on the yes button. Then you can see the Google Tag Manager code in front of your screen. You can copy the code and implement it on the website as per as the instruction. The first code should go into the head section. The second code should go into the body section. After implementing the code, the next question would be how you can verify the code is implemented on the website correctly. That means that Google Tag Manager is implemented on the website correctly. Verify that you need to install the Chrome extension. The Google Tag Assistant. Once the Google Tag Assistant is installed as a Chrome extension, you can see Google Tag Assistant whether the GTM is implemented or not. You can also cross-verify it while inspecting the source code. The next step is to set up and use tags on different platforms. We will make a video on how you can set up Facebook ads pixels through using Google Tag Manager. So stay with us, we'll get back to you. Sharing our WhatsApp number on the screen, you can always reach out to us on WhatsApp for the quick response. Please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thanks.